Hey everyone, welcome to All AI Tools. Today we're diving into an exciting topic, the different categories of AI tools and how they're revolutionizing various industries. Let's get started. Artificial intelligence is transforming the way we live and work. But did you know there are several categories of AI tools, each serving a unique purpose? Let's break them down. First up, we have machine learning platforms. These are the building blocks for creating and training AI models. Popular tools include TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Scikit-learn. They provide the frameworks and libraries needed to develop sophisticated AI solutions. Next, we have natural language processing or NLP tools. These tools, like ChatGPT, BERT, and Spacey, enable computers to understand and generate human language. They're used for everything from chatbots to language translation. Segment 3. Computer vision tools. Computer vision tools are another exciting category. Think of OpenCV and YOLO, which help machines interpret and analyze visual data. This technology powers applications like facial recognition and autonomous driving. Segment 4. Robotic Process Automation, RPA. Robotic Process Automation, or RPA, tools like UiPath and Blue Prism, automate repetitive tasks, freeing up humans to focus on more complex work. They're widely used in industries like finance and customer service. Segment 5. Expert Systems. Expert systems, such as IBM Watson, mimic human expertise to make decisions in specific domains. They're often rule-based and are used in fields like healthcare and finance for decision support. Segment 6. Speech recognition tools. Speech recognition tools like Google Speech-to-Text and Amazon Transcribe convert spoken language into text. They're used for applications ranging from virtual assistants to transcription services. Segment 7. AI-driven analytics and BI tools. AI-driven analytics and BI tools, such as Tableau and Power BI, use AI to analyze data and provide insights. They often feature predictive analytics and data visualization, helping businesses make data-driven decisions. Segment 8. Recommendation systems. Recommendation systems, like those used by Amazon and Netflix, provide personalized suggestions based on user behavior and preferences. They enhance user experience by offering relevant content. Segment 9. Autonomous systems. Autonomous systems, including self-driving cars and drones, perform tasks without human intervention. They use AI to navigate and make decisions, representing the future of transportation and logistics. Segment 10. AI in healthcare. In healthcare, AI tools like IBM Watson, Health and ADOC are transforming patient care. They assist in diagnosing diseases, personalizing treatments, and predicting patient outcomes. Segment 11. AI for cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is another critical area where AI tools, such as Darktrace and Cylance, detect and respond to cyber threats. They use machine learning and pattern recognition to protect against attacks. Segment 12. AI in finance. Lastly, in finance, AI tools like Kensho and H2O AI are used for algorithmic trading, fraud detection, and financial forecasting, making markets more efficient and secure. Closing scene. So there you have it, a quick tour of the various categories of AI tools and their incredible applications. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to your channel name, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.